Hello class, I am Nazish Hadar. Welcome to my channel Nazish Academy. Today we are going to learn chapter 5 numbers from 10 to 20. I will discuss each and every questions of chapter 5, so please watch my video till end and like, share and subscribe my channel. Make a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 turnips are there. We have to make group of 10. It has made 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 ice creams are there. We have to make group of 10 ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We have to make group of 10 jars. These are 10 jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 leaves are there. We have to make 10 groups of leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 candies are there. We have to make 10 groups of candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sticks and one more stick. 9 sticks and one more sticks is equal to 10 sticks. It means 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 sticks plus one more stick is equal to 10 sticks and 1 stick. It means 11 sticks. 10 sticks plus 1, 2 more sticks is equal to 10 sticks and 2 more sticks. It means there are 12 sticks. 10 sticks plus 1, 2, 3, 3 more sticks. 10 sticks and 3 more sticks is equal to 13 sticks. You can see here. It means 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 10 sticks plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more sticks is equal to 10 sticks and I added 1, 2, 3, 4. I added 4 sticks. It means 14 sticks. 10 sticks plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more sticks is equal to 10 sticks and more 5 sticks. It means there are, how many sticks are there? Let's see, 15 sticks. It means 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 10 sticks plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more sticks. 10 sticks and 6 more sticks. It means there are, how many sticks are there? 10 and 6 sticks. It means there are 16 sticks. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. 10 sticks plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more sticks. I added 7 more sticks. Then we get how many? 10 sticks plus 7 sticks is equal to 17 sticks. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. 10 sticks plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sticks. 10 plus 8 is equal to, how many sticks are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 10 sticks plus 86 sticks is equal to 18. 10 sticks plus, I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 more sticks. Then I get 10 sticks and 9 more sticks. It means I got 19 sticks. Let's see. 10 plus 9 is equal to how many? 19. 10 sticks and I added 10 more sticks. It means how many we will get? 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 ice creams are there. We have to make 10 groups of ice creams. There are 10 ice creams. 10 and ones. 1 is at place of 10 and 3 is at place of ones. 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, 4 pairs, 5 pairs, 6 pairs, 7 pairs, 8 pairs, 9 pairs, 10 pairs, 11 pairs, 12 pairs, 13 pairs, 14 pairs, 15 pairs. We have to make 10 group of pairs. 10 and ones. 1 is at place of 10 and 5 is at place of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 onions are there. We have to make group of 10. 10 ones. 1 is at place of 10 and 8 number is at place of ones. 1, 8, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 baskets, and these are 10 baskets. 10 ones. 1 is at place of 10 and 9 number is at place of ones. 1, 9, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 snakes are there. We have to make 10 groups of 11 snakes. These are 10 snakes. And now 10 ones. 1 is at place of 10 and other one is at place of ones. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16 scissors are there. We have to make 10 groups of scissors. These are 10 scissors. 10 ones. 1 is at place of 10 and 6 is at place of ones. It's 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 kettles are there. We have to make 10 group of kettles. These are 10 kettles. And now 10 ones. 1 is at place of 10 and 3 is at place of ones. It is 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 spades are there. We have to make 10 groups of spades. These are 10 spades. 10 ones. 1 is at place of 10 and 4 is at place of ones. It's 14. Complete the table. 10 sticks. We can say it 110 is equal to 10. 110 and 11. It means 11. 110 and 11, 11. 110 and 1, 2. 2 ones. 110 and 2 ones is equal to 12. 110 and 1, 2, 3. 3 ones is equal to 110 and 3 ones. It means 13. 110, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 110 and 4 ones is equal to 14. 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 110 plus 5 ones is equal to 15. 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 110 plus 6 ones is equal to 16. 110 6 1 is equal to 16. 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. 110 plus 7 ones is equal to 17. 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 110 plus 8 ones is equal to 18. 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 110 and 9 ones is equal to 19. 1, 10, 9 ones is equal to 19. 110 plus 110. 110 plus 110 is equal to 210. It means 20. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 2 tens. Check the group with more objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, And there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Where is more objects? There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 leaves are there. And there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 leaves. Where are more leaves? Left side or right side? Yes, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 footballs on left side and right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 football. Where are more objects? Left side. 1 mango, 2 mangoes, 3 mangoes, 4 mangoes, 5 mangoes, 6 mangoes, 7 mangoes, 8 mangoes, 9 mangoes, 10 mangoes, 11 mangoes, 12 mangoes, 13 mangoes, 14 mangoes, 15 mangoes, 16 mangoes, 17. Left side 17 mangoes and right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Where are more mangoes? In which side? Yes, right side. Write the missing numbers. 10, box, 12, box, box, 15, box, again box, again box, and again there also box. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, after 15, 16, after 16, 17, after 17, 18, after 18, 19, and after 19, 20. 16, box. 18, what comes after 16? 17. 13, box. 15, what comes after 13 and what comes before 15? 14. What comes after 18? Let's see. 18, Box. Box. Tell me what comes after 18? 19. And what comes after 19? 20. Good. What comes after 14? Let's see. 14. Box. Box. What comes after 14? 15. And after 15 what comes? 16. Good. Write numbers before and after 18. Box. 18. Box. What comes before 18? 17. And what comes after 18? 19. Write numbers before and after 10. Box. 10. Box. What comes before 10? 9. And what comes after 10? 11. Circle the bigger number. Here 13 is bigger. 13. 15. Which is bigger? 15. Next 18 and 8. Which is bigger? 18. Next 12. 8. Which is bigger in this? 12. Next 17 and 7. Which is bigger? 17. Next question. 11 and 10. Which is bigger in this? 11. 16 and 6. Which is bigger in this? 16. 1 and 11. Tell me which is bigger? 11. Good. 9 and 19. Which is bigger in this? Good. 19. Circle the smaller number. Which is smaller? 10. 6, 4. Which is smaller? 4. Next, 10 and 12. Which is smaller in this? 10. 11 and 9. Let's see which is smaller? 9. 5 is smaller. 12 and 2. Which is smaller? 2. 16 and 17. 16 is smaller. And next 9 and 10. Which is smaller? 9. Next 15 13. Which is smaller? Yes, 13. Circle the biggest number. Let's see. 13, 3 and 9. Which is the biggest? 13. 12, 15 and 20. Which is the biggest in this? 20. 10, 5 and 12. Tell me which is the biggest? 12. And last 11, 12, 13. Which is the biggest? 13. 19, 18, 17. Which is the biggest in this? 19. And next question. 13, 16, 14. Tell me which is the biggest? 16. Good. Circle the smallest number. 7, 2 and 4. There are 3 numbers. Tell me which is the smallest? 2. 14, 16, 12. Which is the smallest in this? 12. 15, 7, 20. Which is the smallest? 7. Yes. 19, 8 and 9. Which is the smallest? 8. 1, 10 and 20. Which number is smallest? 1. 16, 15, 14. In this, which is the smallest? Good, 14. Addition. Children, I have taught addition in chapter 3. If you have not watched, so please go and watch. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And next question. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And next 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Next 0 plus 5 is equal to how many? 5. 1 plus 7 is equal to how many altogether? 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to how many altogether? 14. Now I will make you understand with an example. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sticks are there. And 1, 2, 3, 4 more sticks. How many altogether? How many sticks are there? Let's count. 10 sticks. 1, 2. I added 4 more sticks. Then I got how many altogether? 14. We can also write it 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 12 plus 5 is equal to how many altogether? 17. Let's see. 10 sticks and I added 2 more sticks. It means 12 sticks are there. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more sticks. 12 plus 5 is equal to how many sticks are there? 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 plus 7, 17 sticks. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Next, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Next, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Next question, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. And next, 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. 0 plus 14 is equal to 14. 5 plus 9 is equal to how many altogether? 14. 7 plus 8 is equal to how many altogether? Tell me. Yes, 15. 5 plus 5 is equal to how many altogether? Yes, 10. And 12 plus 7 is equal to how many altogether? 19. Rahul has 8 pencils. Sonu has 7 pencils. How many pencils do they have altogether? Let's see. Number of pencils, Rahul has 8. Number of pencils, Sonu has 7. Total number of pencils they have 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. They have 15 pencils. Subtraction. Children, I have already taught subtraction in chapter 4. So please go and watch chapter 4. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to how many? 4. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 4 minus 0 is equal to, let's subtract, 4. 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. Let's see an example. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 5 bananas, 6 bananas, 7 bananas, 8 bananas, 9 and 10 bananas, and 7 more bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bananas. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. We have to remove 5 bananas from 17 bananas. I removed 5 bananas. How many left? Count. Yes, 12. 5 minus 4, 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. And 13 minus 0 is equal to 13. 7 minus 4. Tell me. 13. Good. 18 minus 3 is equal to, how many are left? 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. And 19 minus 8 is equal to 11. Good. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. 13 minus 6 is equal to, tell me how many are left? 7. Sohan's mother brought 9 bananas from the market. She gave 4 bananas to Sohan. How many bananas was she left? Number of bananas Sohan's mother had brought 9. Number of bananas she gave to Sohan 4. Number of bananas she was left with 5 bananas. Rahim had 8 flowers. He put 3 flowers in vase. How many flowers was he left with? Let's see answer. Number of flowers Rahim had 8. Number of flowers he put in the vase 3. Number of flowers he was left with 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 flowers. Addition, practice. We will practice here. 3 plus 7. How many altogether? 10. 5 plus 8. How many altogether? 13. 6 plus 8. 14. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. And next question, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Next, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Next, 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. And last, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Good. Subtraction practice. We have to practice subtraction. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. 19 minus 6 is equal to 13. 17 minus 4 is equal to 13. Next, 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. 12 minus 0 is equal to 12. 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. Clear, children? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.